In this video, we will show how to write your research paper on Typeset. This includes drafting your manuscript, citing and ordering references, collaboration, checking for plagiarism, and auto-formatting your research paper. First, we choose a format for your research paper. You can select a format by clicking here or here. This is the Formats gallery. You can now browse formats by publishers such as Elsevier, IEEE, Sage, etc., thesis formats from different universities, conferences, and proceedings, or you can do a simple search for a template here. Once you find the format, you can open it and then click Use this format to start your research paper. This is your editor. Start your research paper by adding a title. Let's add authors and cover details, such as keywords, to the document. In the Authors tab, you can add the name of the authors and other details. By clicking on the cover details, we can add keywords to the document. Let's see how our empty draft looks like after formatting. Click on Auto Format to preview the document. Next, we add sections in the document by adding text and then formatting it using the relevant heading hierarchy. You can go as deep as subsection 6. You can add an appendix by clicking on Add Appendix. You can add multiple appendices and format them in hierarchy using the options located next to it. Similarly, you can add an exhibit. Just click on Add Exhibit. Next, we add tables, figures, etc. to the document. Use the Insert option located in the toolbar to add a table. Click on the gear icon for advanced options. To further format your table, you can click on the Options icon. You can add a figure by uploading an image or by using a URL or through a Lab Archives account. You can also insert a code snippet to add some code. You can also insert equations using our sophisticated equation editor. You can also add a quote or a footnote or a page break to the document. Now, we will add references to this research paper. Click on the references on the right-hand panel and then Import Add References. You can copy and paste references directly from Microsoft Word or import references from Mendeley or Zotero, or just add them manually by filling all the relevant fields. Once added, your references will be visible in the References sidebar. To add references from Microsoft Word, copy them from your Word document and paste them here. To add references from a BibTeX file, just upload the BibTeX file here. To cite references, place the cursor at the desired position and click on Cite References, and then select the appropriate reference from the sidebar. Citing figures, tables, appendices, and exhibits works in the same fashion. Clicking Auto Format shows how the document has changed. To collaborate on Typeset, you can invite co-authors or reviewers using their email addresses. You can grant them permissions to either edit, suggest, or view your paper. Once the collaborator joins Typeset, he can request control to access your document. The collaborator can start suggesting in your document by placing the cursor wherever necessary. You can then either accept or refuse your co-author's suggestions. Once your document is ready, click on the Auto Format button to see your research paper in all its glory. You can further change line spacing, line number, and other settings if you have any special requirements. To download your research paper, click on the Options button, Download. You can download your research paper in 4 different formats, including DocX, LaTeX, and PDF. If you wish to reformat to a different template, just click on Change Format and then select a format from the Formats gallery. To perform a plagiarism check on your research paper, click on the Options button, Check for Plagiarism. A detailed plagiarism report will be available in a few minutes. Thank you for watching.